The monopoly maximizes profit by producing and selling the quantity that makes marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. This has an important implication about price and marginal cost. When you maximize profit, you want marginal cost equal to marginal revenue. A monopoly faces downward sloping demand, which means price is greater than marginal revenue. When you put these two things together, you'll wind up with the conclusion that price is greater than marginal cost. This will wind up being an important result in the next lesson. We can also talk about profit for monopoly. Like all firms, profit is price minus average total cost times quantity, and can be found as the area of a rectangle. Let's walk through a graph and see how we can use these things. Again, let's look at this on a graph. And we'll start with we'll do things in blue. We're going to make a graph for the firm. Got quantity on the horizontal axis, dollars on the vertical axis. Make a nice U-shaped average total cost curve. I know that marginal cost has to pass through the minimum of that average total cost. Let's say demand is here. And let's say that marginal cost, or marginal revenue is there. Marginal revenue is below the demand curve because marginal revenue is always less than price. Now the first thing we want to do is find where price, first thing we want to do is find the quantity that maximizes profit. So what we have to do to find that quantity is to find where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. And I've circled that intersection. The intersection of marginal cost and marginal revenue tells me that quantity of 80 is the profit maximizing quantity. All right, Q equals 80 means that marginal revenue equals marginal cost. We can even put a number on that if we run across this way. Let's just say that's equal to 40, just for grins. Next question, what's the profit maximizing price? To find the profit maximizing price, we go up from our quantity of 80 until we hit the demand curve. The height of that demand curve is the profit maximizing price, maybe something like 60. So when quantity is 80, price is 60. 60 is the profit maximizing price because that's the highest price the firm can charge when it produces the profit maximizing quantity. Notice right away that we have price, 60 is greater than marginal cost, 40. Since the firm maximizes profit when marginal cost equals marginal revenue, since price is always above marginal revenue, that means that price will be greater than marginal cost. We can also find profit in this case. Profit's going to be price minus average total cost times output. I know price is 60. Average total cost will be something like, maybe that's 50. Okay. Notice, average total cost is not the minimum average total cost. It's the average total cost where quantity is 80. The height to the average total cost curve above the profit maximizing quantity. This firm will be making this much profit per unit. 60 minus, oh, I goofed up. That can't be 50. That's got to be lower. Must be 30. The firm will be making $30 profit in each unit because it's charging a price of 60. The average total cost is only $30. It's producing a total of 80 units. So it's probably 24 with 2 zeros, $2,400. Notice, this product is the height of a rectangle times the base of the rectangle. When you multiply height times base, you'll trace out the area of a rectangle. So the red shaded area equals the firm's profit, which is $2,400.